Hello, this is Tori again. This is my sister Tawny, and today we're going to do something really special. Okay, yeah. See Tawny right here?
Oh!
She has the hiccups. So, as you know, kind of a favorite, like a Merry Christmas little thing.
Ow!
I'm going to help her get rid of them. We're going to do all this fun little things to get rid of it. She's so stupid. Okay, here she is.
Ow!
Okay, alright. So, first thing we're trying to do. Strangulation. Don't breathe. You don't lick me. I'm trying to help you. Come here. Okay, don't breathe. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Okay, that didn't work.
Ow!
Nope.
Ow!
Give me your pillow. Nice thing. We're gonna try to do. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Come on, you gotta trust me.
My eyes are really shut.
I'm trying to scare you. What are your hiccups? Let's try this again.
Wait. Oh, I was gonna say they're gone, but that didn't work.
Okay, you ready? Ready? Ready?
Ow! That hurt. That scared me. Wait.
Did that scare you? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are they gone?
I don't know.
Let's wait. No. Oh my gosh, that's retarded. Okay, so what do you do now? Oh, we gotta get some water.
I have water right here.
Where?
Right here. Don't look at my dirty floor.
I just zoomed on it.
Ow.
Okay, drink.
Wait, don't you hold your nose and drink?
Yeah. Chug. Suffocation.
Scared.
Drink.
You're making me cut my nose. Ow!
Drink, 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 drink. Chug, chug, chug. You doing it? Is it gone?
It tastes old.
That's what the girl said.
Ow!
Oh, what else? Okay.
I can sit upside down and like hold my nose.
Okay, alright, try sitting upside down real quick. Like, lay upside down. I'll position the camera.
Oh no, like which way?
Like,
this
you're,
way?
like, lean off like you're doing an upside down sit-up thing. Whoops.
Okay. How about
You're supposed to go all the way down.
Oh, okay.
There. Now hold your nose.
Ow, it hurts! Stop!
Oh, you so loud. Okay, let's see if that works.
Okay. I was scared for sure. Wait. I don't feel any.
Oh my gosh.
I think it worked.
Really?
Yeah, I do. I don't feel. Oh no. Wait. Alright, no, I'm good. I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
If you guys have any solutions to hiccups for other people who...
Ow!
Oh! Clearly she's still troubled, so if you have any ideas, let us know. Thanks. Bye.